You said each set.
I am explaining it to you like you're a 5-year-old, but you better not be using makeup when you're a 5-year-old because you're too young. What are you on what's that show with the trashy divas? Never mind. Heyo! It's Inky with another video to share clean beauty with fellow makeup lovers because beauty should be good for you. Today's clean beauty is a set that builds on last week's video, which if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Will probably be up here somewhere. So this set is called Get the Look, and it builds on Flawless in 5 for a more done-up look, a fuller face, if you need an evening refresh or if you're like me and you just love wearing a full face. You've got 3 different sets, each with 4 pieces in it. Each set comes with a unique eyeshadow palette. I'm going to try that again. Each set comes with 1 eyeshadow palette with 9 shades, color outline eyeliner in your choice of shade, bronzer or highlighter in your choice of shade depending on the set, and lipstick in your choice of shade. One set has sheer and 2 sets actually have color intense lipstick. So I've talked about BeautyCounter's eyeshadow palettes in a couple of other videos, but just to catch you up, each eyeshadow palette has 9 incredibly versatile shades. You can go from an extremely light, just shimmer on the eyelids, to a middle range contouring, to a deep smoky eye with all 3 palettes. Plus, they're so concentrated, you don't need much. So each eyeshadow palette ought to last you, I'm going to say like 4 months, depending on how much of each you use, and if you shake it up. Alright, I've already applied my base. I've already applied my Flawless in 5 base. Now I'm going to build on that with the Get the Look bundle Romantic. So this one comes with the Romantic eyeshadow palette, comes with Luminous powder, Luminous powder highlighter, color outline eye pencil, and color intense lipstick. The shades that I have curated for my custom bundle are very light and pink and dreamy, but you can do a very deep smoky eye and a very strong lip if you choose. So let's get started. I'm going for a middle range eyeshadow look, so I'm using Cameo, Candlelight, and Brulee, and I'm applying them in that order to highlight and define the eye. Next, using the dip and tap method, I'm using powder highlighter in halo across the tops of my cheekbones. Color outline eye pencil in black gives the eye a pop of definition and helps it stand out. And finally, color intense lipstick in First Date. Now, I saved the lip gloss from Flawless in 5 until now because I love the shimmer over the pink lipstick. So, that is a light pink version of the Get the Look Romantic bundle. If you'd like to see any other variations on this bundle or a variation on the other bundles, leave a comment and let me know. I'll get on that. To customize your Get the Look bundle, head to beautycounter.com/EmilyBarber. You will not be disappointed. Hit me up with any questions at ebarber.bc@gmail.com. Also, follow me on Instagram. I post all kinds of pictures about different aspects of BeautyCounter, how it has impacted my life, and ways that you can get discounted or free products. So check me out at @Inky_dear.
Thank you.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it the old thumbs up. Please drop a comment. Let me know if you want to see any particular Get the Look bundle. Please subscribe to this channel for more clean beauty content, and be sure to share this video with a fellow makeup lover. Thanks for watching. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. Bye.